Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Presently, the Australian dollar still remains somewhat bullish as it holds above the RSI midway point around 50. The upside still holding or capped around 64.5. A break there would see an extension on towards the region of 65.35 where I feel profit taking may emerge. Still keep an eye out towards the downside though, because any pullback would see support around 63.5. The market still presently waits for the US Federal Reserve rate decision and sees the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against the basket of six major currencies, drop from the 105 handle to 104.70 close in New York on Monday. This managed to see the euro edge higher, but still lacking momentum to support a bullish case. Still has a lot more to climb to reinstate that view. Presently, though, I still feel the market is presently locked in somewhere around the 105 to around 108 in the midway of 106.5. Still, though, keep an eye on the downside because if the bears do return, we could find initial support beneath 106 to 105. The dollar yen outlook still remains capped around 148. However, the technicals are showing bearish divergence, which does suggest that we could see a snap to the downside and look towards the region of 144.5. I still feel from 148 the market will struggle and therefore presently expect to see a bearish return. All eyes look towards Super Thursday when the Bank of England is expected to raise rates by 25 basis points. It is viewed though that the market could actually find support from there if we see a somewhat hawkish statement and see a bounce from the region of 123 to around 123.25. Moving on to gold, the market is still holding to its gains as it pushes on towards 1,930. I would like to see in the next 24 hours this pattern to continue. There was a little bit of safe haven demand as there is some concerns that the US government may shut down again after recently finding this dispute was settled. Still, the market is finding momentum and therefore could push a little bit towards the region of 1,940 to 50, but I'm very skeptical about this move and therefore eventually could see a snap back to the downside and look towards the region of 1,886 to 88. Wrapped up with oil, the trend still holding, still pushing on towards that key level of $92 a barrel while we're extremely overbought and the ADX is overheated. So I feel there is eventually will be a snap to the downside and potentially see a pullback to 88 with rate holding at 84. That's right. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intro report and hope you enjoy the rest of the day.